Strawberry muscadine time. Muscadine. I'm sorry. I was saying muscadine. That is incorrect. Muscadine time. So, we're gonna get into some stuff here. What did we do? We stabilized, we back sweetened, we added strawberries. I'm gonna rack both of these, and I really hope that this works. I want them to pretty much fill these two. This is a half gallon, and this is like 3/4 of a gallon right here. I have a couple of bags. All right, so I've got my main brewer's bag. Oh my God, the bubbles. It's a little bit coarser, you know, it's got bigger holes in it. This method seems to work pretty decent for me, so I'm gonna keep on keeping on. This is where I pull this up like so. Okay, put that in there. I'm gonna put a nut bag. Everything is like very much soaked in sanitizer, as you can see. It's all very, very bubbly. And I'm just gonna tie this off. I like to leave, you need to leave some space on the nut bag, but you also don't want it to be able to like get out. So here I've got like a pocket that's, I'd say, a pretty good size to fill, because it is gonna fill a little bit with liquid when you do it like this. I'm gonna start with this bigger one. Yeah, this is a 3/4, and a gallon is 4 quarts. So stick that in there, put it in my lap, wish me luck, and here we go. Now when I'm doing this, because I don't want it to just drip straight down, is I'll hold it at an angle. Whoop. Don't want to back up the stream here. Hold it at an angle so it goes down the side, and it helps reduce oxygenation. This actually smells pretty good. I didn't smell it before, but now that it's racking and doing its thing. Wow, yeah, that smells more like real strawberry. Ooh, I'm excited to try it, actually. I'm excited and nervous. I don't want to be disappointed. It's getting stuck. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, all right, I think that's all I'm gonna get out of there. There's more liquid. Don't like it. I want all the liquid possible. It's definitely still pulling, but I think it's soaked up too much gunk. Okay, I'm gonna take this from here. Guess I should kind of wash this off a little bit. That wasn't very stuck. Actually, there was nothing in here. So this bag worked really well, but I guess the bag just got a little gunky. I want this to be a little bit higher. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Oh. My pants is wet. Damn it. Leave it to me. Oh, I have a towel this time, though. Okay, I didn't lose that much. I'm just wet in not great places. Oh boy. All right, that's quite high. Oh, there's some strawberry muck in there. Is this the way to do things, though? I don't know. All right, let's continue, shall we? I guess I could have used more space. I assumed I would have lost a lot more mead than I did. Well, what do I do? Trying not to make a horrific mess. You know what? I am not unhappy with this though. Okay, well, That's gonna sit like that, I guess. Stupid. All right, let's check the gravity because of course I want to know what's going on. Obviously it smells like it hasn't fermented, but I want to double check. I'd also like to see how much sugar the strawberries imparted. We're at about 1.020. So it actually didn't really move at all. The strawberries didn't actually add very much sugar, which is interesting. There wasn't anything noticeable added. I'm gonna put my stopper and everything in this real quick, and then I will cover what I am thinking of doing next, okay? Let's taste this now, shall we? Cheers. I can definitely smell strawberry and muscadine. Oh my God. That is so much more pleasant. Ah! Yay! Oh my God. I almost like want to cry, to be honest. Yeah, it's so much better. The muscadine flavor is mellowing out too. This almost has a rosé-like quality to it. So it's interesting. It's tart, of course. It's sweet. There's not a whole lot of body to it necessarily. So this is where I was thinking of the possibility of a vanilla bean, and I wasn't really sure how vanilla would go with the muscadine, but I think it'd actually be good. My other thought was oak. I have 2 vessels. I could put oak in one and a vanilla bean in the other and see how that turns out. I think that's a good idea. You think that's a good idea? I think it's a good idea. Oak in one, oak. And a vanilla bean. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. I'm gonna be right back. I need a vanilla bean. I need a vanilla bean. Sanitized right quick. Ooh, it's getting dry. Definitely need to use it. Holy moly. I know typically you wanna like cut these, scrape them, stuff like that. I don't think I'm gonna bother scraping it. I don't wanna make a total mess. I'm just gonna cut it and put it in. It's all chopped open. Vanilla bean is fully accessible. Oak. I need to go see what I have. Be right back again. So I have French oak chips. Now this bag was good for 25 gallons, which is a lot. I don't know how much that was. So, and it says soak in water 1 hour before adding. All right, so I'm gonna figure out how much of this I need for a half gallon, measure that out, put it in water, and I'll see you here in a second when I do that. Okay, that actually didn't take me as long as I thought it would. So, figured out how much oak to add. Okay, when you have oak chips, I read online that typically you want 1/4 of an ounce per gallon. Since this is a half gallon, like well, it's a little bit more than that, but anyway, a half gallon, I need 1/8 of an ounce. Well, I'm gonna show you this handy dandy cool little gift that I was given. It's so cute! Look at this little scale! And these adorable little like silicone bowls. Oh my God. So BC from Doing the Most, if you don't watch him, you totally should. He sent me this as a gift for Mead Day. Bless him. I really needed this. Let me just tell you. 0.125, that's how much I need. I'm like getting it as close as I can. Yay, 0.125 exactly. Ah, oh my God. I would never have been able to do this with my other scale. My like cheap piece of crap scale that I got. Bless. Ah, thank you, BC. Thank you. Appreciate it. Turn off. Oh, so cute. I love this. What a nice man. I have exactly 1/8 of an ounce. I am going to soak it in some sanitized water. Don't let them float away. Just in a little bit of sanitized water. All right, you know, in an hour, I'm just gonna put them in. I'm not gonna film it because why? I'm literally just putting oak inside of this. Exciting! I hope it turns out well. Let me know in the comments, are you team vanilla or oak? Who do you think is gonna taste better? Oh my God, this is gonna take like 2 months. 2 months? Yeah, shit. Because of the vanilla bean. Vanilla beans have to sit for 2 months. This is probably going to sit for like a week. So I'll see you in a couple of months. Sorry, it's gonna take forever. Vanilla beans, you know, you gotta wait a while. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.